I know that you'll go.
Hello friends and welcome back to Biosphere Flora. Today in this video I am going to report a plant. This plant is basically the Hosta plantageria or the August lily. With the full care tips I am going to show you in the further video. When you observe this plant in a close-up view of their leaves, you will find a beautiful venation on them. This looks very gorgeous when you place them as an indoor or an outdoor plant. This plant does very well when you keep them as an indoor in a brighter spot where it receives the partial light. This plant is a perfect plant for the indoor ones, although I think this plant is a philodendron variety. Now, without wasting much time, let's dive into this video and let's see how to repot this plant. I have not repotted this plant and this plant is in the nursery bag as you can see, and this has been a couple of weeks from with me. I wanted this plant to get settled in my new environment, which I have kept them as an indoor in this nursery bag. Now it's the perfect time to repot them as because the plant had settled in my new condition. You can see that the roots are densely packed, and so we have to remove the bottom soil so that we can loosen up the soil and the roots can penetrate into the new and fresh soil. To prepare the pot for planting, you should always remember that the pot must contain holes underneath them. We should cover these holes with the charcoal chips or wooden chips, or you can take the broken terracotta pot chips, or here I am taking the coconut chips. These chips will not only cover the bottom of the pot holes but also help the water to drain off the excess water. Now it's time to repot this plant, but before that we should lose the soil before repotting this plant. Preparing the soil mixture for this plant is an important task for us. We are taking here an equal ratio of coco peat and garden soil and half ratio of sand and compost in this mixture. Now I am covering an inch layer of this soil mixture into this pot. This soil which found in the nursery bags are the hard and clayey soil. So you should always repot the plant when you bring from the nursery so that the roots can penetrate and the new plant growth can start. Here I am removing the soil particles an inch layer from this plant so that the roots can penetrate into the fresh soil and can settle down in the new condition. This removing the bottom soil is a very important role so that the plant growth can be started and accelerated in a faster way. Just putting them on the inch layer which I have previously made them on the pot and settle down. Now I am putting the remaining soil around them. Tapping the plant pot is very essential while repotting so that it will fill the air bubble gaps into the soil and help the plant to not get any fungal problem in future. Pressing the soil around the pot is also very important so that the plant doesn't get any air bubbles problem. Now after repotting, always remember the first step is to water them thoroughly as when it comes down from the bottom. The water will drain off excess water. This indicates that the soil is a well draining and a porous one. Remember, when you pot any plant, you should not pour the water from heights, otherwise it might get the depression and will help the problem to the plant roots. So always pour at a near height of this plant. After some time, you will notice that the plant has drained off the excess water and the droplets are coming out from the bottom. This indicates that the soil mixture is perfect for any plant to get planted. You can see the water excess is coming out. When you find that the whole water has drained off after few minutes, then you should plant them in a perfect place where you want to keep them. Here in the further video, I will show you the requirements of this plant, where you should keep them and how water them properly. The leaves are a bit shinier and have the beautiful venation as you can clearly see. To maintain the proper shine and the venation on them, you should always keep them at a brighter spot where it receives the partial light condition, but not in the harsh, otherwise it might burn the leaves as you have seen. The soil must be the porous one but not the clay or the hard soil which we have seen previously in the nursery bag, which might retard the growth of the plant and have the slower rate of the growth with small leaves. I have put this pot into this beautiful designer terracotta pot, and now I have placed them as a brighter spot where it receives the beautiful light conditions but not the harsh or the direct sunlight. They have been a couple of weeks from with me in this clay soil and the growth was very slow, so I thought to make a video on repotting of this plant. I have kept this plant beside my monstera and they are doing both well there. Now, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you can get the full upcoming latest video by hitting the bell icon. From couple of weeks ago, I have also started the plant videos and the plant care tips and tricks articles as a blog. So if you want interested into watching them and reading them, I will give the link below of the blog. I will be soon back with this amazing video of plant care tips and tricks in the Biosphere Flora tomorrow. Here in this platform of Biosphere Flora and YouTube channel, we provide daily videos update on the plant cares and tips, and we are very active on the Instagram of providing a knowledge about the plants caring tips.